Guys, I met. Look. She looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Her looks so beautiful. Yeah. Look, oh my god. Look at here, guys. Wait. Look at here. Look at here. Wait, let me just we have a lipstick. And she has so much chicken on me. He kissed her in this cheek and here, and he kissed this girl. He kissed her in her lips. This boy is looking so handsome. See, but her girlfriend put her lipstick on her mouth, so that's why he had. See that thing? She just, you know that she threw a laway. Nagtutbrush siya. Hindi, flying kiss pala yan. Flying kiss. That's a heart, a little heart. Little heart, ganyan yun. Ganyan heart. Wow! So, sige. Dapat tayo. Zoom, unti yan. So, kita nito.
Tulungan naman namin kayo. Dapat na ito. Laging pa lang yung sa ilalim ng mesa. Bakit ninyo? Paano yung kwarto ang ilalim ng mesa? Ate, huwag po kayo matakot kasi nandito po kami para tulungan kayo.
Uy, it's supposed to be a
Ito po yung
heart.
kwarto namin. Mas tingin pa naman po kami. Opo. Yan po yung kwarto namin.
Yeah, that's a heart, guys. That's a heart. This is a heart. I know, wait.
Ventilation shafts, no? Talagang, we understand na meron kayong high ceilings, no? Pero insufficient yan. And at the same time, although we have this, saan lalabas yung init? Kung nakasara na to, kung mapapansin po ninyo, no? Ano ba naman ito? Mga pintura?
Empty na po yan, sir.
Ito,
Okay.
empty cans ba yan? Selyado eh.
Foolish.
May laman eh.
Ano yan, sir?
Mga, ayan, no?
Tada, he flying kiss. Oh my god, oh, this is looking handsome. This is my drawing. Look. I do just like this, a nose. No, I do like this. Oh no,
Yung mga window dyan.
I do like
Kandado po. Yun po yung
this, and this mouth, and chin bang. I do like chin bang, like this. And this hair, I nail it. I put there and there and there.
Pero yung binibigay
And
namin
see
po
this
dito sa
down.
tao namin, 4,000
Eyebrow.
lang libre lahat.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I know this. I like
Yun lang
it.
po yung binibigay namin kasi tinutuwa po siya namin.
I nail it. Before I'm gonna make a drawing again, can someone suggest a drawing? If someone suggests, I will draw.
Yung iba po, meron po dito